Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, in this video we'll be customizing our Ford Bronco a bit and taking this car off-roading. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So here we have the Ford Bronco. This car is completely stock. I have nothing done to it right now. This car is completely stock. So we'll be taking it to the dealership today, or some sort of shop, and getting some things done to this car, and taking this car off-roading. So first things first, honestly the first thing I think I'm gonna do is get some new tires on this car. New tires and new rims, so basically some new wheels on this car. That would be really nice. I think I'm gonna go for a yellowish orangish color, or yellowish orange color theme on this car. So maybe some orange or yellowish paint on the car, or maybe a wrap, and some orangish yellowish off-roading wheels or rims, which I think would look pretty nice, really nice. I'm picturing it in my head right now, and I think it will turn out really good. So right now we are going to be taking it down to the dealership. I already have a scheduled appointment for this car here, and they should have it done by the end of today. It's the morning right now. It's like 10 a.m. right now, so we should have some time before it gets dark out to take this car off-roading. So dealership is down the road, actually right over here. So let's take this car into the dealership. So here's the dealership right here, and let's take this car to the back, which should be right around the corner right here. Let's see. Yep, there it is. So let's pull this car into the garage. There should be some people already inside waiting for the car, but otherwise, yeah, let's check out our rental for the day, and I'll get back to you guys once this car is done. Alright guys, some employee just brought me my rental for the day here, and it looks like we'll be driving around in a Tesla Model 3. So this car, it looks like it has some custom rims here, not the rims from factory, but I actually really like these rims right here on the Tesla Model 3. Looks really nice, and this car actually accelerates pretty quick. Oh wow, this car actually is pretty fast. This car's actually pretty quick. Hold up, let's actually do a 0 to 60 test right here. Here we go. Pretty good. Once it gets up to speed, it doesn't accelerate as quick, but off the line, this car just goes quick. It is electric, you know, so it's expected. But yeah, this car also handles really well. I'm pretty sure it's all-wheel drive. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's all-wheel drive. But man, this car actually handles really well, like really well. This car does not lose control at all whatsoever. Me driving this car, it just does not lose control at all. It stays on the road, and yeah, this car just does not spin out at all. Look at that. I love that handling. Handles super well. Takes turns really well. I actually want to take it to some twisty roads back here and see how this car handles. Just take the turn right here. Pretty well. Wow, that. Here we go. We are on the twisty road now, and we're like almost at 100 miles per hour, and 100 miles per hour is here, and this car is. Oh wow, this car actually handled the twisty roads quite well. I'm not even gonna lie, like, it handled those roads pretty well compared to the other cars that I've tested on these twisty roads here. Model 3 here just performs amazing. Pretty good. Let's take it back here one more time. And look at this car. All-wheel drive actually helps a whole lot. Oh my gosh, wow, that is amazing. But yeah, I think I will get back to you guys once the Bronco is done. And yeah, otherwise I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, here we are back at the dealership. I gotta return the Tesla now. And pretty sure the Ford Bronco is done. I did get a call, said to come pick it up. But let's park the Tesla right here. Employee will probably come and take it away. But let's actually check out the Ford Bronco and let's take this car off-roading and see how it does. Alright guys, here is the Ford Bronco. Here is how it looks, and look at this thing. This car looks beautiful. Look at that. We got the yellow rims and a orangish paint, and it matches pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really well. We also have the grip tires here, which is, I think that would help in off-roading quite a bit. But look at this car. It looks amazing. Let's actually head over to the off-roading site right now and test out this car. Alright guys, here we are at the off-roading site, and let's actually pull the Bronco in right now and let's see how this car does. So we are on the grip tires right now, and look at that. Oh my gosh, this car climbs pretty easily, climbing these sand piles here. This car is doing amazing so far. This car climbs pretty well. Look at this. Oh my gosh, climbs pretty smoothly. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love how this car performs off-roading. Performs just so well. It climbs these sand piles so easily. Like, look at this. It does it with just like no effort at all. Like, it climbs up these sand piles here pretty easily. Pretty good here. Love how this car is. Pretty smooth suspension. Pretty nice. I really like the suspension on this car. Let's actually head over to the other side of the off-roading site over here. And there we go. Oh my gosh, this car drives smooth. Look at that. That looks so nice. Oh my gosh. That looks really nice. Pretty nice picture right there. This car just performs so well. Like, look at that. It goes over these sand piles like nothing. Amazing off-roading here. This car just performs really well off-roading. Climbs the sand piles really easily, and yeah, overall pretty nice. Pretty nice off-roading experience with this car. I think that's going to be it though. We do not want to break anything yet. But yeah, I think that is going to be it for this video, guys. I'm going to conclude the video here. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.